Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you love jewelry making or you're looking for a fun gift to make for friends or family, these little beads are great. They are the Howlite beads from NCB, and they are 8mm. You get about 100 of these beads, and I love how unique each and every single one of them is. They're really easy to bead. The hold is just the right size for my string, and you can make a bracelet pretty quickly in just a few minutes. I love the feel of these beads. They're really smooth. They're not super glossy, and they feel nice and cold on your skin, which I love. And they're just a really nice high quality bead. You can see how pretty and unique each of them is. And here is my finished product. I love these beads so much, and I think you will too. So if you're looking for some unique beads, definitely check out NCB. They have a really nice selection of really nice high quality beads that are going to be so unique for whatever you make with them. And that's my point of view.